Hi everyone! Oh my gosh, I look rough today. Well, anyways, I'm doing a quick unboxing. I hope the lighting is okay. I tried to like make it okay. I think it's a little better. Let's see. Okay. I hope this lighting is okay. It's my new first time filming after moving. Well, second time filming after moving, and I have stuff up already. This curtain I'm unsure about, so let's just ignore that for a second. It's still a little bit of a mess. I can't find the cords to my ring light, so we're just swinging it today. Hi. Okay. My little one just came in the room. So I just got a package right now and I'm going to unbox it. Say hi.
Hi.
Where's Kuya? Okay guys, so this dust bag is something I'm not used to, but ta-da! It's a Louis Vuitton, and can you guys guess? It is, ta-da! This is a Speedy bandolier in the 25 size, and yeah, it's pre-owned. It came with the key lock, and I'm trying to see. Okay, so is it just me? Oh, and it came with the original receipt. Of course, I will always get it authenticated. This was purchased in the Maison store, Champs-Élysées. Okay, I totally butchered that. Anyways, that's where this was purchased from. And this is the dust bag. This is like way thicker than what I'm used to. I'm not sure. This is kind of different. Oh well. Going back to the bag, this is my second Speedy that I've owned. My very first luxury item was actually a Speedy bandolier 35 in the Damier Ebene print, and that was my baby bag when I was first pregnant, and it served its purpose, but over time, as I got smaller back to my size, it looked bigger and bigger, and it was just looking off on my shape or on my height and everything. So anyways, so I did sell that. And also the Ebene just doesn't wear, and it's just not as comfortable on as the Vachetta leathers are. Anyway, so I did sell that. I'm just looking to inspect this baby real quick, and this is the 25 size. It says it right here. I don't know if you can see that. Louis Vuitton, made in France. And obviously the double openings. So the one thing that I always like deterred me from purchasing again a Speedy is because the hardwares never match. It's so annoying. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, this hardware is way tarnished. Interesting. Oh shoot. This is way tarnished. Okay, it came in its own little dust bag. And if you guys were curious, I use Sabina Lynn here on YouTube as my authenticator with all my pieces. So this is the strap. If you guys aren't familiar, the bandolier comes with 3 different straps to make a shoulder bag or crossbody. But see, like, okay, this is a good example. I hope you guys can see this difference right here. Do you see that? The gold just doesn't match, or brass, however you want to say it. But it's always been like that, and my very first Speedy was 5 years ago, and I guess fast forward 5 years, it's still the same thing. I don't know why.
this is it.
Yeah. It came with, not sure what that is, but it came with a Samorga organizer. Take it out. I don't really use organizers because I'm just not organized in my purses like that. But anyways, this is a Samorga organizer. Fits perfectly. This is actually really cute. Okay, take it off. And this is what the interior looks like. It's just a big opening. On the other side, you have a D-ring right here and a zip pocket opening. The one I've owned and purchased, it was only the opening. It didn't have a zipper. So these are just the fabric codes and item codes. And with these Speedies, the authenticity code, date code, is always found on the interior flap of the pockets. So this was made in 2017, 21st week of 2017. There you go. But yeah, it's super cute. I don't know, do you guys like it better with the organizer or without? So let's try it with both. Oh, also, I bought this chain to go along with this, to like make it a little bit more dressier. So I'm just gonna take the middle piece, take that off. So I'm gonna attach these two together to make it a shoulder strap. Yeah, okay, there we go. I'm gonna attach those onto the bag. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take my big chain and attach it onto that. Just to dress it up instead of just like your basic average Speedy, you know what I mean? Oh, actually, I think I want to make this longer. So like that. So you have the shoulder strap and then crossbody. Cute. Okay. So let me put some items in here so you guys see. Also, the one thing, I don't really mind it, but I know like some people and those who have owned the Speedy, they complain about how the sagging right here if you don't fill it up properly. But that's why I'm assuming the seller, you know, sold it with the Samorga, and that's why that seller also purchased the Samorga. So anyways, this is my current bag that I'm using and I absolutely love it. This is the Louis Vuitton Vivienne, Neo Vivienne in the khaki color, gold hardware. I love this. And this is, I believe, it's not empreinte leather. I don't know what kind of leather it is. But yeah, it's gorgeous. And these hardwares match. Well, I guess obviously the higher the price point, the better they make it, which is just unfortunate because they should just make them all equally. Another thing, I did get a new car. It is a family car, so it's a 3-row, so it will fit the whole family finally. So that's a good thing. I'm just taking out what I have in here to put in my Speedy. I'm not gonna take off all of it, take out all of it, but this is the interior layout. So I have receipts, I have my, oh, before I forget, I have my little charging cable in there, and then back here I don't have anything. So that's what I've been carrying. Well, that's what I carried today. It's not what I've been carrying. Anyways, so another thing is people say that it's because another thing that deters them from purchasing is the small opening right here, because it's just this, it's dual zippers and it's hard to get in. I think mine was dual zippers too, my Speedy 35 bandolier, I can't remember, but that was a pretty generous opening because, like I said, I used it as a mommy bag. So I had, you know, diapers, changing pad, wipes, clothes, my nursing cover, and just like nursing pads as well. So, and also my like wallet and all that. So anyways, so what we're gonna put in here is charging cable, and I'm gonna put in the pocket so that it's easy for me to find my keys. Well, my key fob. This is my Dolce & Gabbana card holder. So I just have points cards, coupons, things like that. And this is my card holder, so my debit card, credit card, and insurance information. I have here my business cards, so I'm gonna put those in there. I have some eyeglass wipes because obviously I wear glasses. I have 2 different mini size lipsticks. And anyway, so that's all I have. Maybe I should put more. Oh, can't forget my phone. So I just have the iPhone XS, put that in there, and I don't think I really carry much of anything. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. So it is sagging a little bit, you can see that, but it's not, it doesn't bother me, honestly. I'll put like a clip in there. I don't really know, I don't really carry much of anything, to be honest. But yeah, that's it's sagging, but it's fine. And I usually zip it in the middle. Sometimes I don't even zip it at all. Once you zip it, like, you can definitely tell. So let me back up and show you guys how it looks. I am 4'11", 5 foot-ish for reference, and I'm size 8'10" in clothes. I'm on the heavier side. Anyways, let me back up right here, move this. I'm wearing sweats, so ignore that. I hope you guys can see this. So what I was saying was I have it like this as a shoulder bag. That's cute, right? Cute. And then if I wanted it longer strap, put that down. And I can wear this crossbody. Oh, that is super cute. I actually can't see the viewfinder, it's too far for me. So let's go. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.
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 Bye. Bye. Bye. See ya.
Bye bye. See ya.